Hey, there's new technology that will help reduce scars after surgery. This is good news.
It is. It's interesting. Kristen is going to show us how this works after the break.
All right, time for Health Watch, everybody.
Okay. I believe we're talking about this new product or procedure out there in which, a high-tech way in which you can lessen the appearance of scars after surgery. The procedure would be great for women who have had C-sections or reduced scarring from plastic surgery procedures they've had. Kristen is in Phoenix with more.
Hey, good morning, friends. Yeah, this is really great technology because so many people have scars that they don't want. They want them to vanish and go away. And hey, I guess that's possible, according to Dr. Ali Mosharrafa here. Good morning.
Good morning.
So this is called Embrace, right?
That's right, Embrace Scar Therapy. It's from a company called Neodyne out of Palo Alto, California.
Okay.
And it's revolutionized how we address plastic surgery, scars, and scar revisions.
Okay, so we have some great before and afters, but first you have lovely Liza here who is you're going to show us how to apply it.
That's correct. This is a therapy, we call it a therapy, but it's actually just a dressing. It's a simple dressing that we put on about a week to 2 weeks after surgery. Surgeries like tummy tucks, arm surgeries, breast surgery, to try to minimize scars. And I'll show you how it works.
Okay.
It comes in a book. You open the book, peel off the backing here. You stretch the dressing, and this is really the key to how this works. We've essentially taken a dressing, stretched it out. Let's pretend that Liza has a scar running along this line. I'm essentially releasing the bandage from the backing. This line represents her surgical scar, which of course we're pretending is there now. You pull on these tabs, and this releases the dressing. And when you take this book off, you basically have a scar that has shrunken horizontally, if you can imagine, bringing the tissues closer together and relieving the tension across the makeshift scar that's underneath here. So the way this works, it's not a chemical dressing, it's a biomechanical dressing, and it takes tension or relieves tension off of the scar that's underneath here, and we know that tension worsens scars. So that's what's so revolutionary about this device.
And I know we do have some great before and afters that we'll look at. Something like this, how long does it take for the scar to go away?
We put it on once a week for 8 weeks after surgery. It takes about 1 to 2 years for scars to mature fully, and this therapy that we're employing for that first 2 months after surgery reduces scars up to 90%. That's the final scar that they'll see at 1 year to 2 years.
Okay, so you heard my reaction. No way, but I mean that is kind of a big deal. People have those scars. So who's the best candidate for this quickly?
Anybody who's had a surgical scar that has been closed under tension. I use it in all my tummy tucks, arm surgeries, breast surgeries, lacerations. Parents who have their kids that have to go to the ER in the middle of the night that have lacerations. Nobody wants a scar on their child's face. And then all sorts of other surgeries, chest surgeries, C-sections, any surgical procedure is a candidate for this type of therapy.
Okay, well, thanks so much for explaining. I appreciate it. Thanks for your time.
You bet.
All right, guys, there you go. Back to you.
Wow.
That is amazing. That's a fantastic thing. It's not chemical or anything.
No.
Just releases the tension underneath.
Never seen something
So
like that.
$25 bucks times 8 is $200.
Yeah.
It didn't take me long to figure that out.
I'm glad you figured that out.
425 is 100.
Yes, I do.
So that's not expensive, and it's
No.
it's ingenious, really.
The before and after, pretty obvious, too.